Good morning, viewers. We're here in Diana Cajolet's room to report that there's no school today. It is a blizzard, and if you look out the window, this is what you see. Not really snowing. It's not really snowing. And according to Diana, we're going to get...
No snow.
And that's the news this morning, 9 a.m. Reporting back later.
No snow.
Okay, it's noon now on Friday. What's the date?
The 8th.
Friday the 8th, the day of the 2013 blizzard. And we're going to our field correspondent, Diana Cajolet, who is going to report how much snow we're actually going to have today. So, how much snow are we going to get today?
A little bit of snow. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, we only have like this much.
Okay.
No snow.
Hello. Well, everybody, it is very snowy. So we did get snow today. I was wrong from this morning.
No snow.
Very, very snowy outside.
So how much are we going to get altogether? What's in your
Well,
prediction?
I'm saying 1.5 feet.
1.5 feet. All right. Check in the morning. All right, Trisket? Check in the morning.
No snow. No snow.
Okay, well, I'm back again. And I have my doggy, Trisket. And I have another weather update that it's very snowy outside. We have about 2 feet of snow, almost. Yes.
So that was more than you said originally, which was how much?
No snow!
Yeah, this was a big one.